In this video, we are going to animate the flame inside a lantern. We have a symbol for the lantern ready. We double-click to enter it. We are going to work on a flame animation for the lantern. We add a layer below the blue-shaped layer and draw a circle on it using the oval tool. We convert the circle into a symbol using F8 and name it flame. We modify the circle into the shape of a flame using the selection tool. Please see the video and follow. We delete the excessive nodes using the sub-selection tool, the shortcut for which is A. We extend the timeline using F5. We add a keyframe on frame 5 using F6 and modify the shape of the flame slightly. We add a keyframe every 5th frame using F6 and modify the shape. We select random frames in between, right-click and select Create Shape Tween from the menu. We exit the symbol and convert the flame into a symbol again and name it main flame. We use the F8 key for this. We enter the symbol and extend the timeline again. We add a new layer, copy the flame symbol from the earlier layer and paste it on the new layer as seen in the video. We then scale it down using the Scale and Rotate tool. We select the copied symbol, go to the Properties tab and choose Tint from the menu. We add a yellow tint to the symbol so that it looks like the core of the flame. We then select Layer 2 and add Blur and Glow from the Filters option. Please experiment on values and choose what you find the most suitable. We add glow to the bigger flame as well. We exit the main flame symbol, which brings us to the lantern symbol. We now add a new layer behind the flame layer in the lantern symbol. We draw a circle and modify it using the free transform tool. We select the modified shape and go to the color palette beside the Properties tab. Please see the video. We choose the radial gradient option and adjust the bucket colors. We keep the right bucket alpha as 0 and the left bucket alpha as 70. We now add a keyframe on the second frame on the new shape layer and move it slightly using the arrow keys. We copy the keys ahead in the timeline using the Alt key. We add a new layer on top and draw a rectangle below the flame using the Rectangle tool. The shortcut is R. Please see the video for the location. You will notice that rectangle already has the gradient from the earlier shape. We select the rectangle and again go to the color palette and choose Linear Gradient from the menu. We modify the shape using the selection tool as seen in the video. We adjust the gradient and add keyframes on the layer and again move it slightly on the keyframes. Please watch the video closely and follow for the next few steps. We have added a shimmer to the sides of the lantern as well using the same technique. We can also add glow to the moon and add stars in the sky to enhance the effect. Thank you for watching.